Hello everyone, and warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. Today I share with you the first part of a trilogy I'm bringing to you. Okay, trilogy of Sobolo, right? So we have the normal Sobolo, you get a Sobolo squash, and then you get Sobolo made from the leftovers. So join me and I'll show you how. I start by adding some vinegar to my water, and I'm going to be soaking my fruits in it. So the fruits I'm soaking are the fruits that we are going to include the peels. So we have to ensure it is very, very, very clean. So we soak it in the vinegar solution for half an hour. Then you come back, we wash it until the water is clear. There are no impurities in the water. Once that is done, we'll peel the fruit and we cut some. Right, so the first are the oranges. We're going to slice these oranges. Some I'm going to slice 2 of these. Some I'm going to peel, take out the peels, okay, for later. And some of the peels will go in as well, so just to boost the flavor, the citrus, flavor we're going to get from it. So that goes into a saucepan, and then we're going to be using half of the lemon and half of the lime. Right, so we're going to slice them as well and add it to our pot. We're going to be slicing our pineapple. Use the skin of the pineapple, the peels of the pineapple, and we'll save the fruit itself for later. I just thought to add beetroot because, well, the color is close to, Sobolo, so why not? So I just cut one and I added it to my pot. So here I'm just taking the core of the pineapple to add to the pot and then save the food for steeping later. Okay, so here I'm grating some ginger, right? I'll grate some ginger and I slice some and add to it. Okay, we want very intense flavor. We add in our black pepper, cloves, and grains of Selim. Then our hibiscus leaves or Sobolo leaves also added. We add water and then we'll put it on fire, or we set it on fire to boil, right? We are going to boil this for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes is done, we turn it off. Then we add the rest of our ingredients, which are one slice red apple, the orange peels, some the pineapple, the fruit of the pineapple. I didn't show it here, but I added it. Some mint leaves, and then what else? That is it. Yeah, cover it for it to steep for 30 minutes, and then you come back to strain. That's what I did. That's all. So I'm saying this is a trilogy of juices. I've already introduced that to you at the beginning, but I'm going to be bringing you the Sobolo squash, the one that is good for boarding house, is good for traveling, and it's good for your fridge. Anytime you want Sobolo, you pour a little bit, you add water, and you are good to go. So I'm going to be bringing that to you. And also these peels that you are seeing, don't throw them away. Please don't throw them away. It is very, very good, very nutritious, and I'm going to show you a very healthy juice, and that will be the last one. Right, so as you saw me do, I just strained everything. I'm adding just sugar, give it a stir, and then that is it, ready. You serve it, add some ice, and oh my days, it's so good. You love this. Very simple, but very delicious. So thank you all for joining me today. I'm so grateful. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.